I'm the best Amazon driver they got. Or best damn thing, like it's my scat. Goddamn all these trees. But what's good, you guys? What's good? My community was good. Back at it again, as y'all can see, with another Amazon vlog.
Turn left onto Avery Spence Road.
Got me on this these little private areas in the middle of nowhere. If I end up missing, blame it on Amazon. Blame it on design. Blame it on design. Oh, look at the cows. You're not gonna see them, but oh, did we drive past them? Oh, I didn't get to see it. Maybe next time. But go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and comment. Let me know what you think. Then
In 900
subscribe.
feet, turn right
Put
onto
your post
Christian
notification
Lake Road,
bells on, because I do come a lot. I come to y'all about a lot of things. So if you're new to this channel is about cars, life behind cars, credit to get cars, stuff like that. But obviously
Continue
I do
for 6
vlog
miles
about
on
a lot
Christian Lake Road,
of other things as
1412.
well. So even though the whole channel is around cars, I do vlog about other things. Amazon, traveling, other things that I'm trying, sports, stuff like that. So if you're into stuff like that, feel free to go check out my other content, stuff like that. So just wanted to come to y'all with another Amazon vlog. Like I said, Amazon's usually, like, vlogs usually about the houses that I see, because it's like to motivate me, motivate the people that might see this video. So I just wanted to do this. Hasn't been like no spectacular houses, so today is going to be a calm vlog, chill vlog, just a cruise around vlog, just to show y'all. But I wanted to talk about this wind. Today is Saturday, March 13th, I think. Is it? No, Saturday the 12th. And it's really windy here in North Carolina for some reason. I don't know why. I'm ready to get out of this cold weather and get me in some warm weather. That house is nice. That house is dope. In some warm weather in Cali, I'm ready to get out there, ready to get on the ground, running, start working again out there. Obviously, enjoy LA, enjoy the weather. I know it's not gonna be as cold as it is here in Cali, so I'm ready to get that rolling. But the wind tried to take me out. Y'all not gonna be able to see it, but the wind, I don't know if you can hear it, but the wind is going crazy today for some reason. Like, it was just warm a couple of days ago, then we having winds to the fact that, like, I opened the back door and the damn thing hit me. I filed for workers' comp because that hurt. That hurt. If you watch this, Jeff Bezos, I want my workers' comp. I want my workers' comp. Give me my money. But the wind has been on some other shit today. I wish I could try to, like, show y'all how it's shaking the van, and it's kind of like scary. Because if this is it, guys, just let me know. Let a brother know so he can go out thugging. Give me a Snickers bar, a Pepsi, and that's it. That's all I ask. Just let me go out, run. Let me go out like a thug. I need to use the bathroom. I hope this gas station is in the middle of goddamn nowhere. Hey y'all, I gotta use the bathroom. So I'm gonna try to see if this gas station let me use the bathroom. So hey man, I'll be back.
Head southwest, then in 200 feet turn right.
The windows took the damn door off. I tried to open it for real,
Turn left onto Christian Light Road, SR 1412.
SRT 1412, yep, I got it.
Continue for 4 miles on Christian Light Road, SR 1412.
Yep, SRT 1412, yeah, I got it. But I just want to let y'all know something. The Lord is my shepherd. And he know what I want. He got this. A Babe Ruth. I'm about to go out. Perfect timing. Perfect timing. Hold on, y'all. There's another Amazon out here. What are you doing in my territory? Hold on. Hey, blood. You from around here? Better get out my block. They got me back here in the sticks.
Turn left onto
Y'all witnessed if something happened to me, man. Y'all are the witnesses, man. If something happened, we gonna go out fighting. We gonna go out fighting. I just wanna let y'all know. I just let y'all know I ain't the one.
In 100 feet arrive at the
It's the shit I hate. I thought this was it, y'all. Well, I swear to God, bro. On my mama. On my mother. On my mother. On my mother. On my mother. I might be the best Amazon driver they got. What the heck they got going on over here? Man, look at this. Look at it as I pass. What y'all got going on? What y'all got going on? What y'all got going on? Don't play with me. Gang, I thought I'd give y'all some house footage with this vlog today. Nice little neighborhood. Lady almost hit me. I like neighborhoods like this, for real. Quiet, peaceful. A lot of houses being built in the neighborhood, but pretty little dope neighborhood. This is in Fuquay, Varina, if I'm saying that right. Don't crucify me if you're from North Carolina, know how to say it. I ain't from here. So if you want to fight, put them up.
In 900 feet, turn right onto Fairway Green Drive.
I thought he was walking the dog. Lady, people crazy. They're crazy out here. They're crazy. You're acting crazy, man. But I hope y'all enjoyed those houses. Let me know what you think about the neighborhood. And on the front road. I always wonder, are kids outside more now than they were before? I remember growing up, we spent a lot of time outside. And we come through neighborhoods like this, I'm like, where the kids at? Where the fun at? Ain't no kids out here. No funny shit though. But are kids actually enjoying outside still? Well, I would say the youth, the future of this country, are they outside with it?
Turn left onto North Carolina Highway 55.
Because I'm outside with it.
Destination on your right.
It's been a day. Somebody ordered some damn mattresses. But these houses nice. Okay, guys. Thank y'all for tuning in.
Turn right onto
I had
Lakeside
to clap
Drive,
for the
then
people
in
in the back.
250 feet arrive at the destination
People that
on
come
your
to the
right.
video, watch the video, but don't like the video. Hey, like the video. Like the video.
In
Helps
250
the
feet
algorithm
arrive at the
for them
destination
to
on
show the
your
video
right.
to more people.
Arrive at the destination on your right.
But